Hello and welcome to today's class. How do we solve 3 to the power of k plus 3 to the power of k plus 3 to the power of k equal to 9 to the power of k? What is the value of k? Straightforward, the answer is just 1 without solving. But how do we get that value? 1. So we take our solution. So here we have our 3 to the power of k is common. So we can split out that. We can factor out 3 to the power of k. So if we use this to divide this, we are left with 1. We use this to divide this, we are left with another 1. Use this to divide this, we are left with another 1, equal to 9 to the power of k. Easy. All right, so this is going to give us, we add up, we're going to have here 3 times our 3 to the power of k equal to, here we can express our 9 as 3 to the power of 2, then times k. And so we're going to have here 3 to the power of 2, or in bracket raised to the power of. So from here, we can apply the law which says that you have your x raised to the power of a times m. This is equal to your x raised to the power of a, or in bracket raised to m. And so we can multiply this out. So we have our 3 to this equals to 3 raised to the power of 2k. Very easy. So what we do here, let's divide both sides by 3 to the power of k. So we have here 3 to the power of k. We equally divide this side by 3 to the power of k. So this will leave, and now left with 3 is equals to. We apply another law again, which says that if you have your a to the power of your m all over your a to the power of m, this is equal to your a all raised to the power of your m minus, yes, n, what am I doing? Why this? Okay, m raised to the power of m minus our n. Okay, so we can apply that here. So this is going to give us 3 to the power of 2k minus our k. So this is to the power of 1. So since the bases are the same, then we can equate the exponents. So we have here 1 is equal to our 2k minus our k. And what is our 2k minus k will give us what? 1k. So we're going to have k is equal to 1, which is your answer. Okay, so 1 is the answer that satisfies this original equation. If you put in 1 here, it's going to give you 3, 1 here, 3, 1 here, 3. So 3 plus 3 is 3 plus 6 will give you 9. And here we have 9 to the power of 1. And so 1 is the answer. Thank you for being there. See you in our next class.